Welcome back, everyone. We have our JK here that we're gonna start working on. We're gonna take out the whole interior because we're gonna take the seats down to the upholstery shop, and we're gonna have custom sewn, two-tone. Not gonna really tell you what it is. You guys can find out in the next couple of videos when we get them back from the upholstery shop. Just leave a little surprise. But before we start tearing the interior apart, we're gonna put it on the scanner to figure out why the airbag light is on. And here it's showing us that basically the driver's seatbelt is either not plugged in, or the other thing that can cause this code is if one of the wires is damaged or ripped and it's not getting a signal. But once we get the interior all taken apart, we'll check over the wire harness to make sure whether it's not plugged in or if there's a break in the line somewhere. So we got that figured out. Put this away and we'll get to work, start taking this out. Alright, maybe some of you guys wondered, why are we using such a big impact to take off the interior bolts? Well, Chrysler loves to put Loctite on everything, and it is nearly impossible to get these out without anything besides this or a breaker bar. Alright, so we got most of this torn down. Let's take a look. The stuff that we're concerned about that we found here is the buckles in the floor. Here. Buckles there. Buckles there. There. This cross beam is also damaged. And the A-pillar. And you can see all they did was put a new skin on there. You can see that this where the original seam sealer in metal was. They didn't even bother knocking anything back close to it. Same thing there. I can almost stick my whole finger in there in that gap. The seat belt is plugged in. So there's either a broken wire, possibly the seat belt itself is bad. Still got to do some further investigation. So I'm going to continue working on this. I'm going to send out the seats out to the upholstery guy so he can get started working on them while we figure out what we need to do to correct the damage from the accident that it had previously.